Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about spreading objects. So let's get started. Alright, let's say we have two objects. Object 1, and it has property A1. Then we have object 2 and it is C3. Now let's say we want another object which consists of all the fields of object 1 followed by all the fields of object 2. Something like this. A1 and then C3. So as we perform the spread operation on arrays in the previous video, we are going to do exactly the same. So our result is going to look something like this. We are going to have an object and we are going to spread object 1. So this is going to give us A1, and if we console log, we get A1, and then after object 1 we can spread object 2. So this is going to give us A1 and this is going to give us C3, and if we run this one we get A1 C3. Similarly, if there are more fields, let's say object 1 has A1 B2 and object 2 has C3 D4, and if we spread object 1 and object 2 and assign it to result, we will get A1 B2 C3 and D4. A1 B2 C3 D4. Alright, let's look at a different scenario where the object that is spread at the later stage overrides the field present in the object that was spread before. What I mean to say is that, look at this object 1. It has A1 B2, and then look at this object 2. It has C3 D4. Now let's say if object 2 also has A and it is 5. So if we just spread object 1, then in that case we are going to see the result A1 B2, and we are getting A1 B2. But after object 1, if we spread object 2, we are going to get the result which is like this one. So basically we are going to have this C3 D4 and then A5. Now the thing is, fields inside an object has to be unique. So we already have A1 and then we are getting A5 from object. So this is the latest value for A. So in that case, A5 is going to override this. So we are going to get something like A5 and this is gone. So if we run this one, we get A5 B2 C3 D4. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you will find my work helpful. Please feel free to subscribe my channel, help me reach 50k, and please don't forget to click that bell icon and like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.